In this video, I'm going to show you how to view widget analytics in Elfsight. Let's get started. To check the analytics for your widget, go to your Elfsight dashboard and click My Apps to see all of your widgets. Next, choose the specific widget you want to track. On the top right corner of the widget card, you'll see the view counter. Click on that counter to open the widget analytics page. Inside the analytics section, you'll be able to see detailed monthly usage statistics for that widget. This includes the number of views your widget has received, usage charts that help track activity over time, and information about your widget limits based on your current plan. These analytics are useful for monitoring how often visitors interact with your widget and checking whether you're close to reaching your monthly view limit. If needed, you can also use this data to decide whether you should upgrade your subscription plan for higher limits. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.